Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.